Let's get some common sense now from Craig Bolanos, the founder and CEO of Wealth Management Group. Good to see you there, Craig. And the old saying says, as goes the January market, so goes the year. Well, after a tough January, with the S&P 500 losing 5.3% for the first month of the year, what do you think is next for the stock market, and what should investors consider?
Angela, you're spot on as always. January, no doubt, saw the major market averages retreat as volatility was ushered in on the back of a relatively hawkish pivot point from the Federal Reserve. They've clearly told all of us that the days of easy money and stimulus are coming to an end. So that means all of the stimulus that's been artificially propping up asset prices, it's going to be removed over time. Now, despite the rough ride that investors saw in the month of January, we have to understand that on the back of economic growth, we still feel that the stock market, the broader averages, could eke out a gain, assuming we're looking at a PE ratio of 21.5, say $235 of earnings per share. There really could be room for growth. What might stand in the way of that, of course, would be a Fed that has a policy mistake, meaning they're overly aggressive, or a mistake coming out of leadership in Washington as they navigate the geopolitical landscape that's out there.
Craig, it sounds like you are not overly bearish on the outlook for 2022, despite that return of volatility to begin the new year.
No, Angela, that's right. A month of volatility, well, to be quite frank, it's totally normal. Volatility is a part of the investment process, and investors need to embrace it, not fear it. Investors should be looking to use the volatility to rebalance portfolios back to target. In some cases, that means neutral weightings relative to geography, style, and market cap. And I want to say again, I expect solid economic growth over the course of the year and some earnings growth that's going to coincide with that, making 2022 rewarding for broad-based equity prices. And again, I think investors really should take a balanced approach when it comes to that tug of war between value stocks and growth stocks based on where we're at in the market cycle. From a market cap perspective, small, medium, and large, small cap stocks have already been repriced due to this anticipation of higher rates. So we think there's opportunity in small caps today, but over the course of the full year, we do think large mega cap stocks is where the leadership's going to be. And for everyone that requires fixed income, what I call bonds acting as the ballast of one's portfolio, be sure to take a barbell approach. What do we mean? Manage that duration and really focus on credit quality so your bonds can be the ballast in the portfolio should and if you need them. I'm Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group. If you want to learn more, you can. Go out to our website, investwithwmg.com.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.